Alright, we're at the Walmart. They have a fresh restock. Of course, they have the Mazda 787B dud. That is really awesome. They got a Bugatti Utopia. I already know that. We got a Porsche Carrera. Got this upside down rental truck. We got another Bugatti Utopia. Look at that. I think I might take this one instead since this one's least damaged. There's another Utopia at the bottom here too. And they got the Formula E. Oh man, look at this. Freaking crazy. I think this one's in better condition. What else we got? We got the Koenigsegg Jesko, the Ford Maverick, and we got the Sylvie. We got the Bugatti Bolide here too. I think that's gonna be on someone's bucket list. I hate this tiny tuned Porsche. It's just a bad recolor, but anything else? Oh man, I'm just so excited right now. Look at all the stuff they got. They even got the Jaguar. That's pretty cool. And yeah, see it. Then we were at the dump-in. They got the Deku Dio. Oh man, look at this, bro. I'm really pissed off that I bought the Deku Diora that day because it was all broken. But look at that. This thing's in mint condition. This one can have that. And there's a Utopia in here too. Yeah, that Utopia is very beautiful. I'll hang it up there. Got a Mad Mike, the Jaguar. Got more Koenigsegg's. Look at that. Anything else cool in here? We got a Formula E. That's pretty awesome. Looking around the... Oh! Yo! Look at that. We got an Acura NSX. And then we got the Lotus Type 59.
No, that's not yours.
Let's take a look at up here. What do we got? Bugatti. They got the Maverick I really want, but I think I'll pass up on that one. Some of those Dooku DeLoreans. I don't know what else is at the bottom, but I'll look.